Hey y'all, I received an email from Ashley, Sally, Heather, and Kylie asking questions about our assignments that are in live text. So I'm on the live text website, but yours is going to look a little bit different from mine because it has all of my courses in it. So if you'll look, the first thing that you have to do is write an essay that tells about you. And I sent out an earlier explanation of what that means, but in that, you're just going to write an essay. And in fact, if you just click on the assignment, it'll tell you exactly what you're doing. It's an essay about 300 to 500 words describing who you are and why you want to teach students with autism. So 300 to 500 words is probably just one page typed out. So that's just a quick part that is part of your portfolio that you have to complete. The other assignment is going to be your experiences, and that again is another section that's in your autism portfolio. So you just open it up and you type in it and explain your experiences that you've had this semester. This section of your portfolio, as you move through the endorsement, is going to be edited because as you continue to build your experiences, of course, you'll need to change that. The real assignment is your case study. And when you click the link for the case study, it opens up and you'll find the directions. And when you scroll down, you'll see the rubric that I do believe I emailed you as well. So in the School of Education, we have to assess your understanding of the NTASC standard. And so that's what these other assignments are. And so there's a reflection for Standard 1 and there's a reflection for Standard 6. Well, in the autism portfolio, our standards are the CEC standards. So what you'll do, because I want you to do it well, is you're going to respond to these prompts. And so you'll describe your artifact, when you participated, when you completed the assignment, specifics for the artifact, and that can be things that come from the syllabus, and then how the artifact demonstrates depth and breadth and learning accomplishment of the standard combined with a reflective statement. And that's just 5 or 10 sentences regarding new learning and its impact on future teaching. And if you'll remember, I've been asking you or putting comments back to you about what you're learning and how that new learning is going to be beneficial to you as a new teacher. So it's just that kind of information that goes in our autism portfolio under Standard 1 and under Standard 6. So there aren't 6 critical assignments in the course. There's only one critical assignment, and it's your case study. The other parts, the experiences with autism, the About Me section of your autism, are part of your autism portfolio. So you'll complete your case study and you'll get feedback for it. And then it's going to go under Standard 1 and Standard 6 as an assignment. You'll have to write your reflection and submit it here in this section of live text so that I can give you feedback. Once you get feedback from me, then you'll just copy that reflection and actually put it in your portfolio. Before you leave the end of the course, you'll then submit your entire ASD portfolio to me right here in this section. Of course, you won't be finished with your portfolio. We'll keep building on it as we move through the course. So I hope that helps. These things that are in live text are minimal kinds of things. They just need you to take some time to narratively write your response to. The case study is the big assignment. Again, it's the only critical assignment. When you do it and when you turn it in doesn't matter to me. I just have to have it before the course ends. And I do believe our last week or our last day in class is December 3rd. So if you need some additional time, like the 4th or the 5th or whenever our final exam is slated, that's fine too. Or you can turn it in early, whatever suits you. If you have any questions, just give me a call or shoot me an email. Hope y'all are having a good night.